How to install hard drive. Make sure to turn off the power before changing the hard drive. After replacing the hardware, format it first or it won't record properly. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 5 screws on the sides and back, then take off the recorder cover. Turn the recorder over and use a screwdriver to remove the 4 hard drive screws. Turn the recorder over, unplug the hard drive's power and data cables, then connect them to the new hard drive. Turn the recorder over, align the hard drive with the screw holes, and secure it with a screwdriver. Turn the recorder over, close the cover, and tighten the 5 screws to finish the hard drive installation.